Hello students, in this video I will be solving some questions of exercise 14b of linear equation with one variable chapter from grade 8 ICSE book. Okay, so quickly I will just solve, thinking that you have the basics so that you can have an idea of solving questions more in numbers actually in less time. Okay, so the sum of three consecutive even numbers is 90. The middle number is. So in this kind of question, we will always assume that let the three like that. Okay, let the three consecutive even numbers are like that. You can write. My writing is not good, maybe, but you understand that. Let the three consecutive even numbers are. One will be x, another is going to be x plus 2, the next will be x plus 4, isn't it? The difference between two consecutive even numbers will be 2. So you have to find out what x plus 2 is, and as they have said that the sum of them is 90, so what you are going to do is you will be just adding all of them. X plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 90. You will find what is the value of x, and your answer will be x plus 2. Okay, if you go on, it will be 3x, I guess, isn't it? 3x plus 6, that plus 6 I can take down over there. 90 minus 6 is 90 minus 6. How much is it equal to? Tell me. And then naturally what will be the x equal to? 84 by 3. So 84 by 3 means 3 times 2 and 8. So x plus 2 is going to be 30. So your answer is 30. That's your answer. The length of the rectangle is 8 meter more than its breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 40, the length of the rectangle is, isn't it very easy actually? You will find the breadth as x, and then the length will be equal to how much? 8 meter more, no? So it will be 8x plus 8. Now if you find what is going to be the perimeter, 40, you know the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, right? What is that? 2 times L plus B, and that will be equal to 40. Here 2 times length is x plus 8, so you will write x plus 8 in place of L, and in place of B you will write x. That will be equal to 40. Again, just carry on. This is 2x plus 8, right? So 2x plus 8 will be equal to, you can cancel it out, 20 over here. So it will be 20. Likewise, if you go on, x will be directly, I'm writing 6. Okay, and that is your answer. Likewise, the third one is two numbers are in the ratio of 5:3. If their difference is 18, the numbers are, you know what to do. What you will be doing? Two numbers are in the ratio of that. Okay, so you will consider what two numbers will be. One will be 5x, another will be 3x. Okay, if the difference is 18, so you can do like 5x minus 3x, that is 18. Isn't it? X is equal to how much? 9. X is equal to 9. So the numbers will be, first number we assume as 5x, another is 3x. The numbers will be 9 times 5, 45, and the another number is going to be 27. So 45 and 27 is the answer. Okay, I'm being a little quick math, right? Easy, very easy. Now for these questions, three more than twice a number. So twice a number, let the number is x, then the twice a number will be 2 times x. 3 more means you will add 3. Okay, 3 more than twice a number. The number we assumed as x. I am not writing in detail. Okay, is equal to 4 less than the number. Is equal to 4 less than that number. The number was x, and it is going to be 4 times 4 less. The number is clear. the number is. So this is the equation. We will just do that. X, this x is coming over here. Okay. So it will be x equal to, this 3 is going to go over there, minus 7. So the number is minus. Very easy. Okay, you don't give that much respect to this kind of question. The sum of two numbers is 70 and the difference is, again you will be doing the same. Okay, sum of two numbers. Okay, so they are not saying the sum of two consecutive numbers or sum of two consecutive even numbers or sum of two consecutive odd numbers. It is simply written two numbers and both the numbers are unknown. So one number you will consider as x in variable form and another you will consider as y. Okay, clear? So it will be 70. This is your equation number 1. You have to assume that the numbers are x and y. So as per the question, it is x plus y, that is equal to 70, and the difference is 16. So you will make another equation like this. So two equations you will be having. So you can see if you add these two equations, that means adding 1 plus 2. Okay, equation number 1 and equation number 2. If you add, you will get what you will get. It will get cancelled. You will get 2x from here and you will get 86 from here. So likewise, you will get the value of x, that it will be equal to 43. The first thing you got 43. Now you put this value in any of the equation above. Okay, suppose we want to put the value of x over here in equation number 1. Okay, so from equation number 1, you write from equation number 1 what we will be getting. We put 43 in place of x and y we have to find out. It will be as it is. So y will be equal to 70 minus 43. How much? 27? Yes. So wherever the answer is 43 and 27, that is your answer. Easy, very easy. Okay, don't give this much of respect. Now maybe the next question. I'm just giving an idea how to solve. Okay, somewhere I'm explaining, somewhere not. You should have an idea to solve it. Question number 2 here. 15 less than 4 times a number. Whenever this kind of question comes like a number, that number, then you have to assume that number as any variable. So here you can assume that as a variable. Here you can assume that as a variable x. So 4 times a number means 4 times x. Okay, 15 less than this. So you will subtract 15 from this number. And is 9 means it is going to be equal to 9. That's all. This sentence will be written in your equation like this. Isn't it? Question number 2. Find the number. Now you can find what the value of x is. Clear? You have to understand this language actually. 15 less, 15 less. From where? Then 15 less than from where? 4 times a number. You have to assume the number as x. So 4 times x is 4x and 15 has to be subtracted and that is going to be equal to 9. So I think now you can find the value of x. Okay, that will be your answer. Question number 3. If Megha's age is increased by 3 times her age, the result is 60. Find her age. Very easy. Again, you have to find, because you have to find her age, the same thing you have to assume as x. Okay, let Megha's age is x. Okay, now is increased by 3 times. So increased by 3 times means you have to multiply this. It means it is going to be 3 times x. 3 times x. Okay, the result is 60. So 3 times x is 60. Everybody knows what is the value of x. That will be 20. So what is the age of Megha? 20 years. Okay, 20 years. Now question number 4. 28 is less than 4 times a number. Again, 4 times a number means 4 times a number. 28 is 12 less than 4 times a number. 12 less I mean, you have to subtract 12 from the number, okay? And that is going to be equal to which number? 28. That's it. Okay, you can find the value of x. Clear? Now question number 5. 5 less than 3 times a number. Again, 3 times a number means 3 times x. Because you have to write in details, you will write let the number be x. 3 times a number is 3x. 5 less than that is 3x minus 5 is equal to how much? Minus 20. You will write minus 20, and now you can solve what is the value of x. I hope you can understand. Okay. Moving next. Let's quickly solve all these also. 15 more than 3 times Nitu's age. Okay, how old is she? It means Nitu's age you have to assume as x. So you will write let Nitu's age is x. Okay, and 3 times 15 more than 3 times. So Nitu's age is 3 times Nitu's age is 3x, and 15 more means you have to add 15. Okay, is the same as 4 times her age. Now they are saying it will be equal to, same as means equal to 4 times her age. 4 times her age was, we had already assumed as x. Okay, and now you have to find out the value of x. Simple, it will be 15. X will be 15. How? 4x minus 3x is equal to 15. And now x is equal to 15. So 15 years is her age. Answer is 15. 7. This was 6. Now this 7. Okay. A number decreased by 30 is, find the number. The question is find the number. So the same thing you have to assume. Let the number. Okay. We always write like that. Let the number be x. Okay, a number decreased by 30. So if you are decreasing it by 30, it means it will be x minus 30. Is the same as means it is going to be equal to. Okay, which one? 14 decreased by 3 times the number. So 3 times number is 3 times x. And how much are you going to decrease? 14. That's the equation. From these kind of questions, you have to find out what the equation is going to be. From the equation, you can find the value of x, that the variable you have assumed, and now that's it. That's your answer. Okay. You can see what they are asking in the question. According to that, you can give the answers. So now you can find out what the value of x will be. Okay. I think it is going to be in minus. It will be in minus. Okay. Negative. 2x will be equal to, I guess, yes, minus 16. X will be equal to minus 8. So I hope the answer is going to be minus 8. 8. A's salary is same as, okay, now A's salaries, I will write A's salaries, and B's salaries, we will write B's. Okay, any person it will be. A's salary is same as 4 times B's salaries. Okay. Okay, 4 times B salary. It means it's going to be A is equal to 4 times B. Clear? In terms of salary. If together they earn, first equation is A is equal to 4B. Remember one thing. Okay. If together they earn, if together means A's salaries plus B's salaries, A plus B will be equal to how much? 3750 rupees a month. Okay. Find the salary of each. You have to find out what is A salary and what is B salary. This is the question. Now, as we know from this is also equation number 2, by the way. Okay, so from equation number 1 and equation number 2, what you can do, in place of A, you can put 4B in equation number 2. So now I'm replacing this A from 4B. So what will happen? It will be 4B, it will be B, that will be equal to 3750, isn't it? Now this is going to be 5 of B. 5 of B is 3750. So now you can find out the value of B. Simple. B salary is very easy. 5 times 7. 5 times 5. 750 rupees per month is whose salary is? B's salary. So B is found out. Now what is A? Very easy. From equation number 1. From equation number 1, A will be 4 times 750. That is equal to how much? 3,000? Yes, I think 3,000. Okay, so 3,000 rupees and 700 rupees per month is the answer. So question number 8 is done. What is question number 9? Let's see. Separate 178 into two parts. Okay, this is your 178. You have to separate it into two parts so that the first part is 8 less than twice the second number. Oh my god. The first part is 8 less than twice the second number. So you have to find out any of the number as in terms of variables. So twice the second part. So the second number we will consider as x. Suppose that the second number is x. So they are saying that the first part is. So first part will be how much? First part is going to be, if you consider one part of a number as x and the other part you don't know, whereas the addition of first part and second part is 178. So this number, whatever this number is going to be, it is going to be 178 minus x, isn't it? Now we will write this, make equation in that way. So we have assumed the second part number as x. So first part is going to be, the first part is 8 less than twice the second. So the twice the second is 2 times x. 8 less than means we are going to subtract it by it. So this is the second number, this is the first number. Now adding both of them will be equal to 78, isn't it? Adding both of them will be equal to 78. So you can do like that. 2x minus 8 plus x is equal to 178. That is your equation. This is what you had to find out. And now the answer is very easy. 3x is equal to 186. Okay, and now x is equal to 62. Okay, so one will be 62 and another will be 178 minus 62. One number is this, another number is 178 minus 2, 62. So another number will be 178 minus 62. That will give you 611. So now the separation will give you these two answers. Okay, 62 and 116. That is the answer. Okay, very easy. Look at these questions. 6 more than 1/4 of a number. Okay, a number means that number you have to assume as x. Okay, is 2/5 of the number. Okay, find the number. Means you have to assume in the first line as let the number be x. Okay, let the number be x. First of all, like that. Okay, now what? See, you have to assume let the number be x. First of all, like that you will assume. Okay. Now you will go like 6 more than 1/4 of a number. So 1/4 of a number is going to be 1/4 of a number, that is x, or x by 4 you can write. 1/4 of a number, the number is x. 1/4 means you will divide that by 4. X by 4. So 1/4 of a number, 6 more than, we will add 6. Okay, 6 more than 1/4 of a number is means equal to 2/5 of the number. 2/5 means 2/5 of x. So we can write 2x by 5. Okay, 2/5x or 2x by 5. Simple. Find the number. You have to find out what is the value of x. Can't you solve it? This is the bigger number than x by 4. So you will you will just take down over here only. Okay. So it is going to be how much? 3x by 20, I guess. 3x by 20. It will give you 3x by 20 if you subtract. Okay, x terms will be equal to 6, and then when you solve what is going to be equal to x, it will be 40. Okay, and that's your answer. 11. See, I cannot write everything in details because lots of questions are there and you have to be a little smart. The length of a rectangle is twice its width. Very easy. Okay, you have to assume the width as x, length will be 2x and x. So one will be The length of a rectangle is twice its width. So I have to assume width as x. Okay, width as x you have to assume. So length will naturally be 2x according to the question. Okay, twice. If its perimeter is this, find its length. Very easy, isn't it? 2x is your length, x is your breadth. The perimeter is 2 times length plus breadth. Okay, and it is given as 54. So it is very easy to find the answer. 3x will be equal to, you can cancel this. 3x is equal to 27. Now everybody knows x is equal to 9. So 9 is your what? Remember one thing, they are asking length. You have assumed x as breadth. Okay, and the length is actually 2 times x. Okay, so you will find the length as 9 times 2, that is 18 centimeter. Okay, remember one thing. I'll give you a hint on these questions. Okay, 13, 14 and 15. The sum of three consecutive odd numbers. Very easy, isn't it? First number will be x, another number will be x plus 1. Okay, and the next number will be x plus, okay, consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers. So difference between odd numbers is 2. Why? Because if you take one odd number 3, so the next number is 5. So difference is actually 2, right? So if you consider any number as x, the next number will be x plus 2. So it is x, then another number is x plus 2, and then another number is what? X plus 4, isn't it? And the sum, that is why I have added, first number was x, another number is this, and the second number was x plus 4. All of them is giving you 57. Now you can find what is the value of x. Okay, and then they are saying find the numbers, means you have to write every number. What? You have to write what is x, what is x plus 2, and what is x plus 4. All the three numbers you will write. First you find what is the value of x, and then you write the numbers like, if suppose the value of x is 9, then the next number will be 11, and another number will be 13. Okay, example. Okay. 14. A man's age is 3 times that of his son age. Okay, see, this is a man's age and the son's age. Man's age and the son's age. I just write like this kind of situation to understand. Is 12 years. Okay, a man's age is 3 times that of his son's age. So suppose the son's age is x years, so man's age will be how much? 3 times. Clear? And this is actually the present age. Whenever the age problem is there, you have to solve it in 3 phases, like present age, future age, means after some times, if they say after few years what will be their ages, or in the past what was their ages. So present, past and future we have to deal with in this kind of question. So they are saying that a man's age is means present age. They are saying what is their present age situation. If the son age is x, then man's age is what? 3 times 3x. In 12 years he will be, it means future. They are talking about future. Okay, in 12 years. So just think that in 12 years both of them, okay, will grow by 12 years. It means 12 years will be added to both of them. 12 years will be added to both of them. Okay, 12 years to the present age will be added to both of them. Like suppose you are 15 years now, and your father is for maybe 50 years. You are 15, your father is 50. After 10 years, you will be 25 and father will be 60. Okay, like that is the situation. Now they are saying what will be son's age. In 12 years, he will be twice as old as his son would be. Okay, in 12 years. The 12 years, his father's age, man's age will be this, and the son's age will be this. But in this also there is a relation. What is that? Will be twice as old as his son. It means the scenario will be like that. Okay, in future if the situation is like that, so equation will become like, as per the question, the equation is going to be 2 times the sun's age even in the future? Very easy. 2 times the sun age. And now they are saying what are their present age. So the present age you have to find out in terms of x for the sun and in terms of 3x for the man's. Okay, I hope you can find out. My question is like that. Question number 15. Can't you find 2x plus 24 is coming over here, my dear? Okay, and this is 3x plus 12. If you bring it over here, it will be x, and if you take it down over here, it will be 12. So x is going to be 12. X is going to be 12, and then naturally 3x will be 36. That is the answer. 12 and 36. 12 and 30. Question number 15. A man is 42 years old. Okay, so man I will write as M, son I will write as S. A man is 42 years old and his son is 12 years old. This is the present age. 12 years and 42 years. This is the present age. Try to understand. Okay. Present age is 42 years and 12 years. Now, in how many years? It means they are asking about future. Will be. See the language. Future. Okay. In how many years will the age of his son be half the age of the man? In how many years? So let that years increase, okay, in both the ages, in ages of both the person, be x. Okay, so if we try to find out in future, in how many years, means we are increasing by x. We are increasing by x. So if increased x to man's age, the same will be increased to son's age. First of all, future age in x years is 42 plus x and 12 plus x. Now, they are saying in that time, if the age of the son be half the age of the man. So, what is the situation? If the son's age will be half the man's age, it means if you multiply this by 2 to make it equal to that, that will be your question. Or you can do like 42 plus x by 2 is equal to 12 plus x. 12 plus x. And this way, think this way or this way. Okay. Either way, you have to find out the value of x and that will be your answer. In how many years means we have already assumed that in how many years means that number will be x. That's your answer. 15 questions solved, isn't it? What is in question number 16? See, a man completed a trip 136 kilometers in 8 hours. Some parts. Okay. So you have to assume like that. Okay. Consider this as the distance of 136 kilometers. Okay. And the timing taken is 8 hours. Okay. Some parts of the trip was covered at this and the remaining is this. So suppose the some part means this much of part. Okay. Now if I consider this part as x kilometer, this will be equal to 136 minus x kilometer. Try to understand because the total distance is 136 kilometer. The speed over here is 15 kilometer per hour and here the speed is 18 kilometer per hour. Clear? Find the part of the trip covered at 18 kilometer per hour. It means they are asking part of means they are asking what is the length he covered in the second part, that is with the speed of 18 kilometer per hour. This is the situation. Clear? Can you find it? Very interesting question.